Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Peace 104.3 here. 20 minutes. So, alright, Kusi Wafu. I know Ushebi. And now Tiebi.
Me Tiebi.
And Pacho, what's in the same? Who the same? Or in the same?
Yo, that's it. Dear, me who know and no idea. It is the true state of Ghana. Ghana no ana do dan kwa kufu His Excellency he describe no. Me chiro say state of the nation address a constitutional requirement. The yakwanya e kire yense. E yakwanya e de ba mi hu o man no ba bia ye gina. Ani ba bia ye kro. Baby a ugina any baby a okro programs ne policies ye die bedru ho problem wa ye be face ane kwan ya ye be fa so a ye be intervene na de ahoto aba entimre bia no utia ena obi anso a wotie bia no ye ntie no kwa ye fa mu aba e kire wo the clear direction obi a obo no bra wo menum wokro entu ye di tie president ni ye pa no a asem no obeka ni bia na nchenesi so we 2013 tamani e beko IMF no former president John Dramani Mahama ka say one of them he became in a sense of humor say yare nam no akadompe it is still there he mentioned it okan ya pe no de e ka kire wa ni say ya lose the foundation of the economic fundamentals are you weak. Immediately, and machinery was put in place to go and do repairs. Eventually, Musa by 2015, near landed baby IMF. The same 2016 was some machine say Ghana banks. Bank of Ghana hweso ye enti ayanwonwona ama a deposit scheme aba system num ya interest rate bi ani kwase e de ma wo matwitwa no boom de amema ya very poor supervision ti no e de wo man no beko ohawmo ampa DKM ehonsem enyina o site DKM any amount to be a 77 million say 77 million no de why de betua DK amanfo sika ya lusuo amanfo sika asye wo. That was the tip of the iceberg afena nakese no pa neighbor eventually no under IMF conditionalities no condition number 7 ni atro no ho say munya banking reforms na mo banks level ampa ye ni namu a ene de be pie de ye pie o my Ghana as a nation, media obie pa the state of the nation pa since independent. Your readiness to take off and transform, and yet 63 years, my father 62 years in po. Say I feel the abeko. Ever 63 years.
63 sa berry.
Yes, abampo. Na emu 41 years work operating wood institutions because of economic mismanagement. 17 times and alcohol. The latest being 2015. Yeah, you call it. Only sound economic fundamentals, macroeconomic level, micro level. Ni nyina wa feel. Ebe den obi hu atono. Ya ne binti macro and micro level no macro no any kese pa any inflation interest rate nom sa no growth rate budget deficit primary balance current account balance balance of trade debt to GDP these are the macro level na se macro level na nyina ncha emire bia no entimen take down to the micro level. Yeah, a honor no wo. A one your friend of individuals, household and firms. It will be a Ghana no. I want you and macro level ni ye even for 5 years as a nation. enti interest rate ekosora etime hit 31%. Yetime ewiase baby aye pay interest pay wosora Ghana timi di first. Ye currency timi ya west na Ghana di first. Inflation yetime ko among the one say here no yetime ko ben ho na no mo bo bracket a challenge at the first. Ye growth rate meti basa na fei ya phone
na enu nya na state of nation honra
e ka ho eno no kachira we say economic fundamentals.
I think so.
You know when your friend no economic foundation okay said that a healthier, that is what he is describing. It is saying obeto ye near where IMF conditions in you. Then we must ask ourselves, and then they see here you call IMF and your 5-star hotel, you go there for what? When you have a weaker economic foundation and a do copy IMF and a hospital for sick economies. Said the Yaria, ebi ameko kwalebu akwa yi no. Economy bia yare bia nso kopie IMF. Any Britain Wood institution. No match lecture say ye ni say. Any emradi bi work rest mun freeze jobs. Net employment freeze na wo mun fe nipa say mun ye say. No ma dwe ho kakra bi essential services de baba mo afa kakra bi na de akare de. Ne da ho. Fe duru ho no mo a ubon say economy dey nyina grounded down into where Ghana situation no afa no obi we school no what wo be say fie be say ensia eni num na fe wote ho edru level a household level polo even president can do so na obi soria sekamo kan kura na peace fm kura mo ko back akoyi mo bills at the far ya na mutua at the power mu generator can honestly tell you say ube who say ampa say you tuya bi ankasa and when they destroy household in individual as water seller kura was affected ya ote ho a kanya kura wo de beko akoton ayi ube ko obi a oye repairs tailor ni was affected baba was affected obi a wonya kania and wo de adidwuma oni dwuma sa na disable no sika na afiri de bottom no enti so hwa wakoje bosia ho nsi ho a eno nso bafu eti sa ne ma wei state wei na nanado danko akufo ado abai ebebeto ye ene banking sector. In fact banking sector reforms na ye kan ye di agro no eno nanka eba be break Ghana down entirely. Sa de wei na me hu ya me ka say senka Ghana ye me ba ya na me hu ya me say Ghana ye me wo fa bi na ewuo na kesi media dia enka me dwane. It is now very serious. How will you redeem 4.6 million people from this calamity? Yeah, the problem is there. It is cancerous.
Are we saying say it's been resolved? You solve a problem no?
Yes, as we speak now,
how about fallout and Crawford Eka? I check in Crawford Juma. I say, ebi wo ho a acquire the fast on yam fasuye. Deposit sika come if any say babetua. How do we go about it?
Will be a bold attempt. NDC made an attempt to solve this problem.
And
Omu use liquidity support. They made a bold attempt. One of them. Now one approach they are solving. They say Obama Bank of Ghana and lend it to the banks. Now omu they are financing, omu day-to-day running. Etine yekura a pum mua near massage no. There be near fees a bank in ye. Etina na oha. And this your bank say, oh na bank no ho na ngui. Na individual bi aka say na bank no ho na ngui na yetiase awuo. Na yetiase awuo. $8.1 billion Ghana cedis was used for liquidity support. And to kwa bank ne sorry a. And our customers kese be ba so no. No afa phone no afre. Central Bank on the liquidity support aba. People. Na moto KDD ani mo near the aba. Enti unhuni ye 8.1 billion. Sikaya ya dia redeem in addition to 8.1 billion wa use for liquidity support. Enti what banks ya gugu ni nyina e fa GGB and wo de ye liquidity support no. Ana yanso e ba ya hu say no. Management na e wo ho a e wo corporate governance problems no. Wo mu nim bank so hwe no. Ayan hwe han no. Wo mu an e wo ho. Na sabe ebro ya me do ye ya kwaku abebuare kwaku na tiafo ya chie me say nua foforo biem e wo ho me nua because who do ya mfa so ma so and ye say no enkofo ya na da so wo ho. There must be a bold attempt either to get rid of them or let them bring money. Na fe one family run. And ye peja you know me call 400 million. So we sikabra. Untimia kikabom. Nanka all this achievement yenyan economic fundamentals in no can people nyai can be you will not be laughing by now. Keneka street demonstration of people looking for their monies. Yeah, yes, okay. One yes I we dia. Depositor there any problem. And MPP advance development philosophy. Ye be use to private sector. And ye dey develop economy. Banking so essential part. Why don't we build a bank whatever cost? And ye say okay. And now ka say banking so agugu. Senka otra ho. Ama we be say ade na monchi won munwie na monton won adwapade. That will also delay. Just a buy wa ofe ka so a na chire gwa kwa akoche obi a office wa say no a akoche no e hwa na aban yes sadia wa wantimi anka mom eni obekofie. So it was a bold attempt. Cancer there yewa you don't think about your leg enwe say so 9 na twa afa na wo pe 9 mienu dia na tie yi atia na akotore na ye free
anya pa just starting antie.
Yes.
Say otame ya sunti.
Mate enti there is a well any abai no be say 13 billion edi ka coin na fei aka microfinance the savings and loans no almost so there o hwa abai no so aye ready say oba ba betua. In fact it is one of the most painful reforms. Yeah dear nia se fidie yi aboa no ofa ne ho dia ne ho nwi dia ebi ka ho. And near the ripple effect in America during Franklin D. Roosevelt time or carry out banking reforms. I was 1932. 21,000 banks out of the 24,000 banks collapsed. 70% of them lost their jobs.
21 or 21,000?
21,000 out of the 24,000 banks. America got collapsed during Franklin D. Roosevelt time. That was the Great Depression. The hot in 1932. So when you go to 1932, you will see it. Now the amount buy similar to Ghana for there a clandestine arrangement of Ponzi schemes.
You're missing the point.
So who said the city? Enuti. One may lose one more job. Yes, we are go there and watch. Some amount of details. You know. So we have more. 21,000 T. 80 banks no egui. So no so what the alternative for the member. 80 egui. 80 yaya die kura die ebuketo. At least about 5,000 jobs there. It has been savage. No mu nyira de kofie. Ebi akem. Ene ebi susu kofie. Ebi kura no no ma kofie dada. Before say we no kura baba no microfinance no ne banks ni bi kura ni entua nkwala ne e kana bibire jajai ono kura jai babu so means ya ni entua ne kada ebi kura afe ni entua ne kada enu ti no ono kura no wajai ono kura ne ho ato no enti reforms we no aba no ya ban yi bi ka say we obi na abegunu me say omo read the IMF report. It is part of the IMF conditionality about banks. About banks ya eguo in 2015. Me say about banks.
Medas mami go tell Mr. Jinapo.
Banking reforms. Banking reforms. What's the most sacred? Nadia ne ho dey tire. That is
Martin.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.